Sometimes you find a design and you print it and it turns out so amazing. And it's the simplest design, but it's so amazing. Check this out. It's done. That is so amazing. It feels like wood. And all it is black and 2 brown filaments. And the designer did such a cool job. Let's get it off here. This thing's got a ton of supports under it. I left the designer's settings as they were. I didn't change them. And the whole bottom's one big support. Alright, let me figure out how to get that support out of there. Oh man, I may have to reprint it just to fix that. Well, the majority is out of there. I'm going to do a whole lot of fine scraping and stuff to get the rest of it out, but boy, what a mess. Such a nice print too, and it printed relatively fast. Almost feels like it's wood that needs to get hit with sandpaper. This is the phone case for the CMF 1 phone, wooden back cover, and they have a light and a dark version, so different colors of filament. And it's on MakerWorld.com. It's by 3 Dylan. Go check them out. I mean, what a fantastic design.